Today we're going to set up a doorknob, and this is a two-part door knob. You need to have two holes in order to set this up. The top is going to be the lock feature. The bottom is just going to be the handle, and you open the door with it. Now, tools are required here. If you don't have an existing hole, you are going to have to create one. But if you have the two holes, it's very simple to install. So let's go ahead and talk about what's included in the package. All right, today we're gonna actually bring a doorknob, and this is a perfect doorknob if you're gonna replace your old one, but there's some modifications. You should be aware of this. This has an extension screw that you need to screw from the other side too, so you might need to change a couple options on this, but it's not that very difficult because they give you the actual template in the manual too. They give you two of them. They give you the actual template by itself, so if you want to have this template to your door, it's easy to set up. Now the whole template in the instructions, it's included in there. The instructions are included in the back, step by step how to remove this. This is not that hard to remove, as long as you remove the old one. They give you 3 sets of keys. All right, there's only one entrance for the keys. All right, and that's going to be for the actual entrance. It's going to be in here, and this is one entrance. It's going to be the bottom part, so the top part, I'm sorry, this will be the top part and this will be the bottom part. All right, on the bottom part, basically you have to have the actual doorknobs. You require 2 holes, and I'm going to show you a couple things. So right now, currently, we do have 2 holes. We took off our old doorknob, and we're also going to have to drill a hole here so we could grab the actual handle too. So let's go and put it together and see how it works. All right, if you're concerned about the actual drilling your hole, if you guys can see, this is adjustable. It's a rail system. It could go up and down. You got about an inch to 2 inches to work with. So if your hole's off, you can move this range up or down either way. So if not, option to remove the whole thing and just, you know, have one top hold everything. And it works well too either way, but the more you pull it, the more this is going to start bending. So it's best to adjust this. So another optional. So we're done. I left a little gap, if you guys can see a little bit, but you can repaint that just a little bit because of my old system. So if you want, it's optional to remove the bottom plates, and you don't have to actually screw it in. You can just remove the bottom plate and don't have to screw the bottom part if you don't want to damage your door. But fortunately, my door is old, so I am going to drill it, and this is a perfect thing to handle the actual doorknob, if you guys can see that. Now the key the key is on the top, so it's about a couple inches away. So at night you could just open it, the door, and then you could come in and actually place your keys, if you guys can see. Now you could change the device to go left or right, either way. So right now I didn't make no changes. I'm just going to show you guys how everything works. Simple, one key. You need to oil it up a little bit maybe, and that's about it, but it's working really well. On the other side, we got our lock, and then we also could change this, reverse it either in or out. So you can reverse it. I still need to tie in the screws right now, but I'm just showing you guys, either in or out. You can lock it from the top, or you can lock it from the door if you want. That's an optional. And this is movable, so you can make room for it to move it around. But look at this beautiful door handle.